Today's tutorial, how to build an ASP.NET barcode scanner in C#. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to scan barcodes with an ASP.NET MVC core application using the IronBarcode library. So let's jump on in. First, we'll show you the NuGet package manager. As you can see here, I've already installed the IronBarcode package for this project. So let's look at our home controller.cs file. Here's our scan barcode action method marked with HTTP post attribute. It accepts an iForm file parameter called barcodes file. At the top, we set the IronBarcode license key. So in production, you want to store this in configuration files for security. We check if a file was uploaded, then create a memory stream, and then copy the file to it using copy to async. After resetting the stream position to 0, we call barcode reader.read, passing in our stream. This scans the image and then returns barcode results. If any barcodes are found, we join the results showing both barcode type and decoded text. If no barcodes are found, we display a message. And then finally, we return view index to display the results on the same page. Moving to our index.cshtml view, we have a form with method post, ASP action set to scan barcode, and the ENC type multi-part form data for file uploads. The form contains file input that accepts images and PDFs. Below, we check if viewbag.barcode result has a value and display it in the Bootstrap alert box. Let's go ahead and run the application now. All right, the browser opens, showing our interface with select barcode image label, file chooser, and scan barcode button. So I'll select a barcode and click scan barcode, and perfect. The result shows code 128, the IronBarcode link. So IronBarcode successfully identified the barcode type and then extract the data. So that's it. You successfully created a barcode scanner in ASP.NET using IronBarcode with minimal effort. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronBarcode, go ahead and sign up for a trial on our site. Continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.